Hello, I'm the same person. I know I gave you a warning last time on the videos. And believe me, what I said last time is true about this video. Imagine you going to bed and you just see some strange laughing laugh. Imagine your mum saying Mary every night, doing weird noises, but she acts normal in the daytime. Imagine you also seen something after. Imagine one night you see something. I was showing you the video about your mum doing it in the kitchen. It's crazy and funny. Imagine you hearing that, just like it. She's just saying that. How messed up would that be? I feel if that was me, I'd rather say that's really creepy. But it don't sound creepy, but it looked creepy, I'll say. But imagine you. She got way stranger then. Not just that was the strange part. She got even more stranger in behaviour. And the noise every night gets louder and louder. Since one night, after 10 days of it getting louder, everything just goes quiet. And then this creepy part comes with the red guy who makes you yourself. Sorry for the language. I'll show me the parts begin. And also to me on, it's got a kid saying, "Mother, are you okay?" And that's when the red part comes. Red guy. It's supposed to be a creepy guy who jump scares you with his white eyes and red scream. Here it comes. "Hey mother, are you okay? Because I hear something strange happening when you're screaming and behaviour." "Oh, do you want to play, 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 play?" Oh, I'm dying. Oh, thank God nothing happened. I know, and I also forgot to tell you that part as well. Imagine that just happening to you. For somehow it just did. But yeah, I forgot to tell you about the possessed part. And then you know what the kid does? It's way funnier. No, so I'll say way creepier. It sounds like a horror movie. Time to kill myself near the stairs and throw myself. Imagine that happening to you and you was getting controlled by the possessed guy, forcing you to kill yourself. Yeah, sorry for being like darkness there. Luckily I'm possessed. Believe me, not properly possessed like that kid, because if I was, you'd be seeing me behave strange. Alert! Bye.